Good morning, class. So today we start the first periodical course. So first we take chapter number 2, exponents or powers. I think in 7th class you all already studied about that, exponents and powers. So let's start with the definition first. This is your book. This is your class 8th book. So I will send your pic also after making the videos. So definition from here, let a be a real number and n be a positive integer, then a into up to n times, means many times, is equals to an. Or we can read an as a raised to the power n, where a is the base, the down one is called the base a, and the upper one and the n is called the exponent or power or index. All the three things are the same only. Now see the example, two example. First a1 minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. How many times it will come? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So minus 5 and power is what? 4. Clear? Now second one, same as it is. 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Now it will come 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 upon 3 power 5. So base is what? 2 upon 3 and 5 is the exponent. These all are the definitions you have to write in the notebook. Now some laws are there for exponents. So first law is what? When a power m multiply a power n is equals to a m plus n. It means what? When two numbers are there and both having the same base a and power are different, one having m, second having n, and multiply is there. When multiply is there, it will be added m plus n. See the example first. 4 upon 5 in power 2 into 4 upon 5 power 4. Now see the base are same, both having the same base, 4 upon 5. Now power will be what? Multiply is there, it means what? Added, means 2 plus 4. It will what? 4 upon 5, power is 6. I think it is clear now. Now come on the second one. Second is what? If a power m divided by a power n is equals to a minus n. Write this much only. Okay, so in this one, in previous one multiply is there and now it is divide. So when it will be divide, we will be subtract. So 6 upon 7 power 6 divided by 6 upon 7 power 4. 6 minus 4, it will be 2. Clear? Now the third one. Third one is what? A power m. Now outside the bracket one more power is there, n. So it will be multiplied now. It will be multiplied. A power mn. Now see the example 3 power 2. Now outside the bracket 5 is there. It will be multiplied. 2 into 5. It will be 3 power 10. I think it is clear. Now the fourth one, last one. Now the bases are different. The last one, when both the bases are different, a, b, but having the same power m, both having the same power m. So a power m multiply b power m. Look at the example. 4 into 5, bases are different, power is same, 3 is the power only. So 4 power 3 multiply 5 power 3. Now we start the exercise. Now again I rewrite all the formulas. A power m multiply a power n is equals to am plus n. It will be easy for you, that's why I write again. Am divide an, divide is there, it will what? Minus. When multiply, it will be multiplied. When ab power m, am into bm. One more thing is there, when anything power 0, means anything like 5 power 0, 4 power 0, it will be 1 always. Now this is your exercise 2.1, first exercise. First one is what? Write the answer of each of the following in exponential form. 4 parts are there. I will do first and third one. They both are different, and second and fourth will be homework. Now minus 7 power minus 3 and minus 7 power 4. Now look at carefully. When minus 7 is there, bases are same, multiplied. What we will do? When multiply is there, we will be add. Power will be add. So minus 7, that minus 3 plus 4. Now we all know minus plus is what? Minus. So So minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 4 is means 4 minus 3, it will become 1. Now see the third part. Again same, base is the same, 4 upon 7 minus 3 plus minus 5. Now plus minus is what? Minus. So 4 upon 7 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus it will become plus. So 4 upon 7 power is minus 8. Now this is the second question. Second is what? Simplify and write the answers of the following with positive exponents. Positive means plus 1 exponents. Minus 5 power 4 divided by minus 5 upon 6 power minus 6. Here also I will do the two parts. The first one and third one I will do. Second and fourth is your homework. Now look at this first one part. Minus 5 upon 6 power 4 divided by, divide is there, it means what? Minus, we have to do the subtraction. Minus 5 upon 6 4 minus for the formula, and the second one is what? Minus 6. It will be clear. Look at that, a power m divided by a power n. A m minus, this is the n, so I write as it is. Now it will be plus. Minus is what? Plus. So minus 5 upon 6, that 4 plus 6, it will be 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So it is clear now. Now for the third part, minus 5 power 8 divided by minus 5 power 16. So minus 5, divide is there, 8. Now no minus is there as the previous one, so directly I write 8 minus 16. So minus 5, 8 minus 16 is what? Minus 8. So it is clear now. Now third one is what? Find the value of the following only. Here also I will do the two one. First one I will do and the third one. Second and fourth is the homework. Do by your own. Now look at that. First one, 6 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. I already told that here is in the fifth one property, anything power 0 is 1 only. So look at that, 6 power 0 1, 3 power 0 1, 5 power 0 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, answer is what? 1 only. Now see the second one. Now 1 upon 11 power 0, anything raised to 0 1, again anything raised to 0 1 power 0 divided by 7 power 1. Now 1 plus 1 is what? 2 raised to 0, 7 1, 2 raised to 0 means what? 1 divided by 7 power 1 means 7 one time, it will be 7 only. So in the table of 1, how many times? 7 times. So here what we write, 1 divided by 7 means 1 upon 7 you can write. In the table of 7, how many times 1 will become? So 1 upon 7 is the answer only. Now the fourth one. Simplify the following. 3 power 2 into 4 power minus 3. 3 power 2 into 4 power 3. Here also the second one and the fourth one is the homework. So first part. Look at that, 3 power 2 into 4 power minus 3. 3 power 2 into 4 power minus 3 and 3 power 2 into 4 power 3. Now first thing, see the power negative one, negative power. Now one more property is there that I will write here directly. Sixth one, that anything power minus m, it will be 1 upon am, means anything up 1, it will become down, so it will be positive. Suppose 5 power minus 1, so it will be 1 upon 5, like that. So look at that, 3 into 3 power 2 positive 4 power minus 3. So what can I write? Means 4 power 3, it will be come down 4 power 3, and here 3 power 2 4 power 3. Now 4 power 3 4 power 3 cut it. 3 power 2 means 3 multiply into 3. Here also 3 power 2, 3 multiply into 3. 3 3s are that 9, and 9 it will be 81. Now come on the C part. Minus 2 power 4 minus 2 power 5. Now see this one. Multiply is there. When multiply it will be added. So 4 plus minus 5. It will become minus 5 because here minus 5 is there, that's why. Plus 4 power minus 1. Now look at it. 4 minus 5. This one as it is. 4 minus 5 is what? Minus 1. And 4 power minus 1. Now it will become 1 upon minus 2. I think you all know power, last one property, and it will be 1 upon 4. So what is the LCM? 2, and it will be minus come here between. 2 and 4 LCM is what? 4 only. In the table of 2 it will come, or you can do the cross multiply also, but okay, do this one. In the table of 2 4 will come 2 times. 2 2s are 4, and 2 multiply here, so minus 2. In the table of 4 4 will come 1 time. 4 1s are 1, sorry, 4 1s are 4, and 1 multiply here, so minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1 upon 4. Here one more method is there. After that you can do this one also, that multiply directly this one. 2 4s is what? 8. Now cross multiply. 4 minus 4, 2 multiply 1, 2. Minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2 upon 8. 2 1s are 2 4s. Answer will be same only, minus 1 by 4. So next two part are the homework one, these two, the B1 and D1, and tomorrow we complete the exercise, that 5 6 7 8 9 10, all 6 questions are there, and the chapter is completed also. Thank you class.